So today we will discuss in this video about the what type of data types are already involved in the big data. Okay, and now let's we repeat that what is the big data. Big data encompasses extremely large data sets that can be analyzed to reveal more in-depth insights. Okay, now patterns, trends, and even help predict future outcomes. But what actually makes up these extremely large data sets can be much more exhaustive, and understanding them can significantly improve our overall knowledge of big data and how to use it. Okay, now we will going to discuss about our main topic of the today, types of data. First and foremost, big data can be defined based on its structure. The data structure of data depends on how organizable it is. In other words, whether it can be formatted into tables of rows and columns. There are three types of big data when defining it by the structure: structured, unstructured, semi-structured. First one is structured. In structured, data that is structured is often already stored in a database or other data management platform, and it can be easily accessed and processed to provide an ordered output. Next one is unstructured, usually larger data sets. The majority of big data is unstructured, meaning it can't easily be organized or classified. The third one is very easy, semi-structured. As the name implies, semi-structured. As the name implies, semi-structured data is not inherently organized at the start, but as it is analyzed or digested, it can begin to take on a more structured form. So now we understand about the structured, unstructured, semi-structured. If you got some problem in any point, you can ask in the comment box. I will explain it to you. Both structured and unstructured data can be either human generated or machine generated. Human generated structured data can be contact information or website form details directly collected from an individual. Now, human generated unstructured data can be any form of website activity and social data, social media data like internet data or YouTube data, okay, such as video, audio, or social posts shared by a person. On the other hand, examples of machine-generated structured data include GPS tracking, inventory tracking, or transaction data. Unstructured forms of machine-generated data include information gathered through satellite, such as images and weather sensory information. Okay. So each of these types of data can be analyzed in many different ways. However, there are certain types of analysis that will serve their own purpose depending on the objectives at hand. Now, types of analysis. Okay, we will discuss in that point types of analysis, how we can understand data. So through the analysis, we can detect them easily. Okay, so there are many reasons to look to big data for insights. Whether it's combining big data and survey data for detailed audience intelligence or combining through it to predict purchase data, they all fit into four types of analysis. First point is prescriptive analysis, predictive analysis, diagnostic analysis, and the fourth one is descriptive analysis. In prescriptive analysis part, It's include data analysis that provides answer to what actions should be taken, what type of action should be taken. Data analysis, uh, data analysis that provides answers to what actions should be taken. That's the purpose of the prescriptive analysis. Okay, and the second point is predictive analysis. An analysis of data in predictive analysis of data that can be used to predict what situation or number of situation may result. The third one is diagnostic analysis, data analysis that provides insight into what happened in past and why. And the fourth one is descriptive analysis, data analysis that can be real time or leveraged to see what is currently happening. So mapping a research approach to the types of big data needed, the types of analysis can help understand what tools and solutions may be best to bring it all together. Specifically, the type of data and analysis will lead you to the type of big data analytics required. To learn more, please stay updated and stay tuned with me, and please subscribe my channel. Okay.